Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on this late Wednesday afternoon, early evening. Cloudy skies, kind of cold and raw. We've seen a few flurries and sprinkles, especially along the South Shore, looking at Easton's Beach in Newport. Yes, we do have some light snow on the way, but we should really stress right off the bat. We don't have a snowstorm on the way by any means, but it may be the season's first measurable snow this evening and overnight. Measurable meaning at most we're thinking at least a coating. Some spots may pick up an inch of snow, but it's generally a coating. But sometimes that's all it takes on an untreated road to make it a little slippery. So it's pretty much the reason for the heads up here. But here's how it breaks down. Now we're taping this. What time is it? As of almost 3:30 in the afternoon. Not much going on other than some flurries and sprinkles, but this evening I do expect some light snow showers to develop. The snow becomes a little steadier, a little more widespread later in the evening through just after midnight, but it'll be ending during the overnight hours and just minor accumulations. So a coating to an inch, just kind of leaning more towards a coating, but some northwest suburbs may pick up an inch, and then maybe a few slick spots up in northern Rhode Island. It's the kind of deal where a lot of this, whatever falls, and it won't be much, would stick to non-paved surfaces. So while your driveway may end up just being wet the entire duration, your shrubs, your patio deck, your car top may get a little coating of snow on it. So that kind of a deal. All right, this is the satellite and radar composite, and actually see a solid area of rain though it's light, along the immediate south shore, right up in here. And to the north of that, a little bit of light snow. But most of the area is dry at this hour as we widen out the view. And there's really two pieces that we're tracking with this developing system. One is a developing storm offshore, which should stay far enough offshore. It's one reason why we're not getting a snowstorm. But there's a little bit of energy in the atmosphere through upstate New York, Pennsylvania. It's right in here. This is going to swing through later in the evening and during the overnight. So if we catch a coating to an inch of snow, more than likely it's going to come from this piece of moisture back here. So in the meantime, we're in a bit of a lull. There's not much going on as far as steady precipitation. So let's step you through it hour by hour, starting off this evening at 7 o'clock. And you see at that time, it's just a few flurries, temperatures near freezing. And then watch for a short time later in the evening how this blue, which represents light snow, starts to fill in a little bit. This is around 10 o'clock. It's in the upper 20s to lower 30s. And notice by 3 in the morning, whatever's left of this system is actually heading offshore. You already see the clearing off to our west, and then this sets up for sunshine on Thursday. Chilly sunshine. Here we are Thursday morning. Sunny skies, temperatures in the upper 20s to low 30s. And by the afternoon hours, we are looking at upper 30s to low 40s. But, it's a decent day, breezy, chilly, dry. 5 o'clock in the evening, we're doing fine. Some extra clouds. 11 o'clock Thursday night, actually partly cloudy. Temperatures upper 20s to low 30s. So your Thursday is looking okay. How much? This is about it. First of all, along the coastline, little to nothing. In fact, and then inland areas, anywhere from a coating to an inch. If we end up picking up an inch, it may be up in here in the higher elevations of Foster, Gloucester, Burrillville, Harrisville, that area. Most of us getting just a coating. And a lot of it sticking to non-paved surfaces. So it may be harder for this to stick to the pavement and the roads, but, car tops, shrubs, decks, things like that. However, up in northern Rhode Island, where some of the road temperatures may be a little colder, there may be a thin, slushy coating up here. There may be some slippery travel. So clearly you don't need, a lot of snow to make things slick. So I would certainly exercise caution, especially inland later in the evening. But here we go. Nothing more than a coating to an inch. It's not enough for plows and shovels, but enough so that it may cause some slick spots. All right, so heading out this evening, early evening, maybe just some flurries. As we get later in the evening, a steadier light snow. Temperatures near the freezing mark. And Thursday morning, we're waking up to sunshine. Chilly, dry, 11 a.m., 37. And we're thinking around 40 degrees during the afternoon with mainly sunny skies and dry on a northwest breeze. So wrapping it up, snow, yes. Snowstorm, no. But obviously, we've got a lot of winter ahead of us. There'll be snowstorms, but not this time around. But with that said, do exercise caution, especially in the late evening hours, especially in northern suburbs. I mean, with temperatures near freezing, even just some light snow showers, sometimes it melts on the pavement and then it freezes up. So there could be some slippery spots, so be careful there. And then we're back to sunshine on Thursday. Our newscast starts shortly at 4 o'clock through 7 o'clock in the evening. Another update coming up tonight at 10 and 11. All right, that's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.